That's actually a very good question, and just one of those factors that a lot of homeowners don't consider when they're selecting a range hood for their kitchen. But it is very important that you have a range hood that's strong enough to provide the right type of air movement and exhaust out of your kitchen. So how do you know? Well, an average range is around 30 inches, and for a 30-inch range, you need a range hood that's capable of moving 250 CFMs, that's cubic feet per minute of air movement. Now, if you have a little bit of a larger stove, which a lot of people do, you'll want to upsize it just a little bit. Now, another factor that would need a larger range hood is if you have a larger than average kitchen. That way, you can ensure that you'll get all of the odors, the moisture, and proper ventilation that you need for your kitchen.